Hello viewers, welcome to Creativity Mela. In this video, I am going to show you the making of Rajasthani woman face vase in a very easy steps. To make a vase, we need a waste cardboard roll and some cardboard strips. Here the length of this cardboard roll is 12 inches. These 15 strips are 2 inch in width and 10 inch in length. Now I make a mark on this cardboard and cut it. Using hot glue gun, I stick these strips around this roll. Cut 4 cardboard circles of 2.5 inch in diameter. Now stick them together. Now I am going to cover this with masking tape. After winding the masking tape completely, the vase is now ready. Here I am not using any wall putty or chalk powder to cover this. Here I trace a face of a lady on a piece of canvas cloth. You can also use cotton cloth. Stick this on the vase. Using mouldit, now I make all jewelry. Here we get 2 packets, one is hardener and resin. We have to take equal quantity from both packets and using talcum powder on the palm, we have to mix it very well. Now the dough is ready, it became even white from all sides. Now I color the face using acrylic colors. color the mouldit with white color as a base coat. The white acrylic color is now dried. I will apply gold metallic color on it. Now I stick this type of lace on all jewelries to make it more beautiful. Now I stick this cloth here to make ghungat. The vase is now completely covered in the back side also. Stick this lace in the top. Most beautiful Rajasthani woman face vase is now ready. Hope you guys like my video. For more interesting and creative videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.